How to upgrade shipping on Etsy. Hi guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this Etsy tutorial, I'll teach you how you can upgrade shipping. So kindly watch till the end. The first step is to sign in into Etsy.com. Once you signed in and you're on this page, you'll see your recently viewed items. Alright, time you scroll down, you'll see more beautiful items as well. And then once you can see all of this, the next step is to navigate through to your cart, and then where is the cart located? By the top right corner of the screen next to your account settings. And then once you click on it, you will take it to the cart page. Now you can see that I have an item in my cart already. I can remove this if I want to. I can decide to save for later, etc. Now the next step here is to select the cart link. All right, so I select the cart link. If the seller offers a shipping upgrade, you would see a standard shipping drop down menu next to your item. All right, that is, if this particular item has been upgraded, you would see the standard shipping drop down menu next to your item. The next step is to select your shipping rate, and any additional shipping fees would be added to your total at the checkout. So this is how you can upgrade shipping on upgrade shipping on Etsy.com. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.